Coliseum, Alfonso Perez.
무슨 좀
Martin
올려요.
Tyler here along with Alan Smith.
파이팅.
Great anticipation. We're looking forward to the match coming up very shortly. Really looking forward to what's going to unfold here, Alan.
Should be a good one. A lot of talk about the tactics these two managers are likely to employ. Beforehand, we'll soon find out.
Oh, time to get the cross now. Flipped up towards the back post. It was an open goal. Goalkeeper nowhere.
Oh my word, one for the bloopers there. That's
아이고.
a shocker of a miss.
까비.
남입니다. 괜찮아요. 나이스.
Can't get past him. Strong tackle.
죄송합니다. 이거 제 실수. 아, 나이스.
Good interception.
밀린다.
까비.
아, 맞다. 몸무게 안 키우고 왔네요.
Aga.
댕김이 주기적으로 침투할까?
Ball peters out rather for them. Could make a chance with this tackle.
중앙 비었어.
Target
비었다.
players in the centre.
까비.
Well, how has he done that?
죄송합니다.
It's one of the
아니야,
most difficult
괜찮아요.
skills in the
저거.
game.
라인
And he made it
놓친 것
look
같아.
easy, Martin.
Wonderful sight for him
그
and his
브로인
fans.
네.
And that has opened the scoring. 1-0 here.
너무
It's a good
죄송합니다.
way to nick the
미쳤구나.
ball back. Quick thinking.
링크가 잘못 걸렸네요. 까비.
한 번 더
And kick.
집중할게요, 저.
Back.
중요한데.
그냥 무조건
Excellent
침투네.
play to lose his marker. Cuts it back
나이스.
well.
큰일 날 뻔했다.
Sorbonne. Mac.
이게
Could be a throw.
아다리가 안 맞았어요, 방금.
Ali. Abbott.
저분 이거 쭉 내릴게요. 쭉 내릴게요. 혹시 모르니까요. 침투가
Aga.
못 재게.
Well, they've got the opposition on the back foot with this break. They're coming at them with numbers.
나이스 시청.
Quick-witted and quick in his movement too to intercept there. Aga. Ali. On the attack here. I think the cross is on. They've defended
Okay,
with great
number.
organisation to get possession back after being under pressure for some time. He's won it back easily.
큰일 납니다.
Stopping the pass, getting through with good piece of anticipation.
나이스. 끝이고 굿.
Sorbonne.
여기
까비. 나이스.
Quickly.
그대로.
He's gone and won the ball with a very good tackle.
하이 하프 조심하시고.
Aga.
이번이 나이스.
He was able to go in and make the challenge and make it a good one. Arshavin. Seo. Park.
라일라.
Back. Saw the pass coming and got there first. Mac. Son. Stelling. Trying to get involved, I think, the forward by coming this deep to get on the ball.
까지.
까비.
계속
He's
나이스.
made the interception.
줄데 없으면 클리어도 됩니다. 나이스 패스 좋아요.
Mac.
네. 컵백 받을 위치 한 번만. 까비. 빠질게요. 라인 그냥 쭉 내리세요. 라인 포그맨님 맞춰가지고.
Aga. Ali.
조심. 들어가요.
네.
Time to get the ball in. Well, it was
나이스.
considered controlled attacking play, but
Sure.
it's come to nothing in the end. Now they've got the ball, let's see what they can do with it.
한번 살려서
나이스.
나이스.
They're looking good when they attack. They could get across it
가까이
here.
위치. 나이스.
Mac
한 번 더. 굿.
still searching for an equaliser with some good interplay
Lovely.
here.
이게 숨이 너무 올라갔어요. 방금 중간 통 비었었어요.
아, 잡아.
제가 할게요. 반대.
Well, now they've got the ball, what are they going to do with it? It's King.
심벌이 너무 올라가셨어요. 너무 공격적이세요 지금.
지금 위치
네, 중앙이랑 너무 겹치셔서 지금.
깜빡하시면 안 됩니다. 큰일 납니다.
나이스.
That's a bad
맞아.
ball.
헤딩이 되네.
나이스. 붙어주세요 그냥.
Now, can he cross it?
나이스.
It's King.
나이스.
깜빡 조심.
Real chance. Keeper
Ooh.
has
Nice.
raised it and rescued his side.
여기 안 끝났어요. 집중.
However the game changes,
One
there's always
more.
place for headed clearances
That's
like that.
굿 클리어.
나이스 클리어.
Added time coming up. There'll be 2 minutes of it.
네. 라인. 좋아요. 오케이.
아,
That's
네.
half time
Nice.
at 1-0.
뭐 지금 많이 남았으니까.
오.
And here we go. The referee's blown his whistle, and we're off for the second half. Excellent control in a tight
Lovely.
area. Poor on the ball.
뭐야?
And the referee has given the free kick.
압박 좋았어요 밀란이.
Oh, no delay here.
압박. 나이스. 공볼 유도 나이스.
Josep. Pogba. Arshavin.
알비 올라가.
Mac.
RW. 까비. 오케이.
Got in very fairly.
RP 커버 좀
Won the
해주세요.
ball cleanly.
커트까지.
It's a very
나이스.
good clearance, and it was needed.
풀백 오버래핑 콜 들으면
Aga.
수민님이 커버 좀 해주세요. 수비.
Tackled
That's it.
well there.
네. 끌고 가시면. 나이스. 커빙 위치까지.
One or two options now in forward areas for them.
아유 까비. 마무리까지.
Goodness
뭐야?
me, it's hit the post.
싫어야? 네, 까비.
Good clearance.
이게 골대를
It's a great effort, wasn't it, just now? They might be looking back with a lot of frustration on that.
It's King.
좋아요. 헛돌고 있어요. 이거.
Abbott. And King. Aga. Good support running on either side.
해야 돼. 나이스.
Got it beyond the
Oh,
keeper,
yeah.
but just beyond the post. Sorbonne. Well, they've
공인됐다.
lost the ball. Ali. Strong, powerful clearance. And it's been an hour of very good football here. We've
Oh.
still got 30 more minutes to go, and I'm sure we're going to enjoy that as well.
좋아요. 계속 골키퍼한테 공 가요 지금.
Park. Good vision. A touch will do.
나이스. 플레이가 흘려. 아, 다리
On the recall, there's a
미치겠다.
goal for winning the ball high up the pitch.
Well, we could see it
까비,
coming, I think. I
나가도
think even
이거
the team that's just conceded could see it coming because they kept on losing the ball in dangerous areas there.
Restarting at 2-0.
또 만들어봐.
Josef. Sorbonne. It goes out wide again. Looking to
Thank
use
you.
the full width of the pitch, but it didn't quite come off that time.
구 컵백. 아, 링크.
Song.
Thank you.
Ashavi.
아무리까지
Just throwing
Okay.
his body into the way of the shot.
40개요.
The hosts have controlled possession here so far. We've seen some lovely football. Their key players really pulling the strings
네?
and put them into a dominant position from which I can't really see them messing it up.
저 알탭 할게요. 죄송해요.
네.
Pogba. Josef.
천천히. 저희 중매 한 명 안 계신.
Arnold. Mack. Possession given away once more.
나이스. 마무리.
Saw the
Abi.
pass and dealt with it.
됐다.
Comfortable for the
아,
keeper.
까비.
The opposition looking to close him down.
아우, 이거.
And King.
나가요.
Very good attack. Broken up in the end by good
Lim-lim.
defensive play. Seo. Now, can he take them on?
나이스 컵백.
Must be a goal.
까비.
Oh, what a touch by the defender.
He was
누구
so
내려앉았는지.
quick to get into position, to get his body in the way there.
There's the interception. We've got 10 minutes left on the clock. Seo. Ashavi. That's good passing, probing. And that tackle has got him the ball. And King.
나가요. 중앙만 가주세요.
It's clipped in over the top.
나이스. 마무리까지. 클리어까지.
Sorbonne. Park. Ali. Spotted that well and intercepted.
아빠
Cut out the pass.
내일이나 모레 내가 시골을 찾아갔잖아. 저기 뭐야. 그러니까 현대 이제 홈쇼핑
Arnold.
아, 나이스.
Mack.
까비. 이거 할게요.
And the verdict on added time is 2 minutes. Blocked off the pass there.
마지막 공격.
Mack
까비.
trying the possession game unsuccessfully at the moment.
수고하셨습니다.
나이스.